All right, guys, I got great news. 2024 XP RZR 1000 from Polaris. We already have a clutch kit for. Dalton's had their vehicle for about 6 months. He got it ahead of us here in the US. How I don't know, but he did. We got ours last week, so the timing is really good. But the new kit is out. We'll go through the parts real quick, and then we'll talk about who needs it. So we got a billet helix for the secondary, primary and secondary springs. And great news, no more rivets to mash in. We now have a set screw, if you will, to go in the tip, and then adjustability up the middle. So there's different size weights here and up through the middle. Makes it really easy to get set up. So I'm tickled to death over that, the rivet part. All right, so who needs it? First of all, there is people who do not need a clutch kit for this vehicle. Who are they? If you leave your vehicle bone stock, don't change tires, and you're a casual rider, performance rider, long as you are not rock crawler, deep mud, sand dunes, sand, high elevation. If you're not those guys, leave it alone. They clutched it pretty good. What we have noticed, as soon as it gets some kind of load on it from any of those things, it starts dropping off in performance pretty quick. Doesn't backshift as good, belt temps come up. Another exciting news is in this kit there's actually a rock crawler setup. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's the first time there's been a rock crawler setup for this, and so that gives you more flyweight, weight, better belt grip, lower RPM at doing the slow stuff. So I'm pretty excited that Dalton got on this so quickly, but again, he just happened to get his vehicle way before we did. So if you got any questions on it, let me know. Todd at Hunterworks.com. Install video, it will be up or is up depending on when you're watching this, and we'll go through that, show you the tools necessary, how to do it, and of course we carry all the tools and belts. We've had a belt for a while, so don't forget the belt for it. Check them out, best on the planet in my opinion. Todd at Hunterworks.com if you need me. Thank you.